Yo, I'm 𝐂-𝐏𝐚𝐜 over here, and if you're looking for an executive MPV that's almost brand new, I got you. Now check it out. Introducing Toyota Alphard Hybrid SRC package. This car is very large. This car is less than 1 year old, and it's luxurious, and if you get it, you enjoy quite big savings in comparison to getting a brand new one. Okay, so now that we had an overview, let's start from behind as usual. This is a luxurious vehicle, so of course it comes with a bunch of features you would expect, such as electric tailgate. So you see, with the third row of seats up, there isn't much of room for luggage. However, you can put some luggage standing up here, no problem. Also, if you need the cargo space, you can collapse these both seats. Okay, now let's close this. Of course, both side doors are also electric. The one no need to say, we all know. All right, and look at this. This is not even a car seat, man. That's more like a throne. Very nice, very luxurious, very comfortable for your passengers behind. Both second and third row come with privacy curtains, as you can see. There and there. And of course, there is aircon on both the third row and the second row as well. Also, we got plenty of room on the seats behind. They even come with armrests. Very comfortable. Of course, it's all leather. Leather feels very high quality and premium here. Here we have another table that's collapsible with cup holders. More cup holders there. There is some storage for your passengers behind here. And even here. Okay, you can store some water bottles for refreshment. Very useful. Okay, well, have another look. Now let's close this, and now we're going in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very spacious and luxuriously looking cabin. I mean, look at this. Okay, this is all leather mixed with wood. Very nice. Okay, here it's all leather, it's stitched, it's padded, it's very beautiful. We have a large infotainment screen for you. Okay, your gear selector is here, bunch of other buttons like brake hold, electric parking brake, etc. We got some storage over here, cup holders here, more storage here, which can be opened from both directions very nicely. And I mean, once again, look at these seats. Of course, both seats are fully electric, and driver's seat comes with memory, but what's more important, these seats are ventilated. There is actually cool wind coming out from here, and this is where you can control them. Okay, very cool, very nice. Of course, steering wheel is multifunctional, comes with cruise control. Okay, and also on top here we got buttons to control all your doors, front, behind, you know. Also, this car comes with 2 sets of sunroof, one for the driver and one for the passenger. Okay, very cool. Okay, look, this is a very spacious car, and everything is in fantastic condition. This is as good as new. So guys, that's why you should consider it. Having massive savings versus a brand new one, and yet you get as good as new. Okay, about this unit, this ride still got 9 years and 4 months left on the COE, and the Depre is about 29,000 plus. Very reasonable. Okay, so if you'd like to look at this unit, obviously only one owner before, this car is almost new, you all know what to do. Call me, 𝐿-𝐴 give you a good deal.